Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about wonderful mushroom called horn of plenty, aka Black Trumpet. So if you don't know what it looks like, I can show you, and you can see it looks like a bit of a trumpet, that's why the name. And if you find it, you will usually find it in big amount, so it's quite difficult to spot. It's hiding in leaf litter, usually associated with the beach, but if you find it, you need to stop and really look around, because usually you will find plenty. That's why the name Horn of Plenty. I haven't found this wonderful mushroom myself as yet, but I just wanted to let you know. So it has got a really thin texture, and it is hollow inside. That's why you can easily identify it. It's quite delicate mushroom, but let me tell you, it has got such a strong, earthy and nice and rich flavor. That's why it's really on top of the list of foragers, and I am hoping to find it one day. Why am I telling you about this? Because I've got here some horn of plenty. I know I just told you I haven't found it myself, but somebody very kind sent me these by post, and let me tell you, the smell is just phenomenal. It's so strong, it is so wonderful. It can have a black color, but it can be also sort of a gray or brownish. So this is what it looks like. I've been very lucky lady. Look how big this jar is. And I also made some powder. So you can imagine I received quite a big amount in the post, and I was over the moon. I am in one of the foraging group, and somebody was posting about their supper with this wonderful mushroom, and I said, oh my gosh, this is my dream mushroom to find, but I haven't been lucky as yet. And he just told me, okay, let me know, because here it's really plenty, so I can post you some. Couple of months passed by, so I was thinking, okay, I'm never gonna get it, just leave it. But then one day I received this in the post, and honestly, I was over the moon. So the best way is make a fine powder, and you can use it as a seasoning in your soups, in your sauces. You can make some seasoning. I don't know if you roast vegetables or potatoes, something like that. And let me tell you, a little goes a long way, so it has got really strong flavor. It's excellent antioxidant, and it's immune booster, and it aids to good digestion, so it's really good one as any mushroom, edible mushroom. It's wonderful to add to your diet. So here you have it. Let me know in the comments below if you've been lucky enough yourself to find this wonderful mushroom, and I am hoping one day I find it myself. When the time is right, we are gonna meet. So this is my honestly dream mushroom. I don't know why, but yeah, everybody's got something. So let me know, what is your mushroom you would love to find and haven't found yet. And here is a bit closer look. You can see these wonderful trumpets. My fine powder. So yeah, wonderful stuff. and this is what I've got in the jar. And you can check my other video above about jelly ears. I was actually making sweets with some medicinal mushrooms as well, so definitely check it out and let me know if you are gonna give it a go. And I leave in the description also my other videos about mushrooms, and yeah, make sure you definitely check them out. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, and stay amazing. Thank you so much for watching. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.